is going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, I got a little bit to talk about. Yesterday, I hit the 4,000 mile mark on the 21 Mach One. Yes, I did. Dude, this is a wonderful car. I love this car. I think this is one of the best Mustangs that I've ever owned, and I've owned a few of them. This car is just it, man. I'm sorry. You guys with the GT350s, you guys with the GT500s, more power to you, but I love my car. Oh, yeah. My wife's got a GT350, so I know all about GT350s. Yeah, buddy. But anyhow, thing is yesterday I got my first flat tire on my car. Yep, rear tire. Picked up some kind of a industrial knife, razor blade in my daggone tire. And I'm telling you, they don't have a spare in this tire. They got this kit, and it's an air compressor, and it's got Fix-A-Flat in it, or some kind of mixture. I don't know what it is. We'll just call it Fix-A-Flat for now. But I have to say, it got me home. It got me home, and that was the main thing. This kit that they put in the trunk is really cool. I didn't have to change the tire on the side of the road or nothing like that. I ended up getting the razor blade out, pulled it out, and I went ahead and used the Fix-A-Flat and the compressor that they put in the trunk of the Mach One. New. And I'm going to tell you something, it worked really well to get me home. So this morning I put some air in the tire. It's still not leaking, so that's good, but that doesn't mean I don't have to get a tire, because I still got to get a tire because it's right on the edge of the tire. And even if you could patch the tire, it's too close to the corner of the tire, and it won't hold. A good patch won't hold. Well, it might. I don't know. I'm not going to say it won't, but anyhow, I'm going to have to get a new tire. And if I ain't mistaken, I got the road hazard warranty on the tires on this car, so hopefully that'll cover it. We'll see. But, you know, with all that said, let's turn around and see what they got in the trunk of this car, because, like I said, it worked out pretty good, and I was actually surprised. When I always knew that it was back there, and I always questioned it. Well, it answered my question yesterday, and it's pretty good. I think it's a good thing. So let me turn this around. There's a gas tank to the Yamaha. So anyhow, this is the compressor slash Fix-A-Flat thingamajigger. We'll just call it that. How's that? And, at first you go ahead and you turn it on to tire repair. Flip the switch. Turn the switch on after you hook up everything. And it'll actually throw Fix-A-Flat in there and pump up your tire at the same time. And I'm grateful that I didn't slash my finger open yesterday when I was looking for you kind of rub your hand across there. Well, I felt it, and I'm like, oops, I better stop. So, and it was a razor blade. So it's a good thing that I didn't cut my hand. Because me being on blood thinners, and I don't want no tetanus shot. You know what I'm saying? So that was a win-win right there. So anyhow, they got this in there. It sits in the trunk nicely where spare tires should be. And, my thing is that I would rather have a spare tire because I feel safe with a spare tire. But this did work for me yesterday. It did. And I'm so happy it did. So I have to call Ford's, the dealership Monday, which is tomorrow, and see if I got the road hazard on these tires. For some reason, I don't think I do, but I usually get it on all my cars when I buy them new. But, like I said, it did work for me. So that's a thumbs up. But let's turn this around. So here comes the buts. What if it would have gassed the tire where the Fix-A-Flat wouldn't have sealed the tire? Well, I'd have had to get a ride home, go all the way home, get my car trailer, come back, pick it up, and then go through all that. Or I'd have had to call road service and waited who knows how many hours before I would have got a tow truck out there. And I really didn't want the car being picked up on a flatbed or a tow truck. I'd rather do it myself on my own trailer because I'm prepared to put this car up there. They don't, these record drivers and stuff, they don't care, man. They just slap J-hooks on it and drag it up. Well, I don't like that. So I'd have came home and got my car trailer and picked it up. Because that's just me. You know what I'm saying? I understand that we paid for that, this and that, but you know what? This is my car, and I want it treated the way I want it treated. So, anyhow, we got it home in the garage, and it's still holding air. So thumbs up, you know. But without a spare tire, I could have been stranded. You know what I'm saying? So if a young lady's driving this car, which won't happen, but... You know, theologically, if a young lady's driving this car and that happens, she's going to call road service. She's not going to try to fix this or do anything like that. You need a spare tire. So hopefully that young lady knows how to change a spare tire. You know, I don't know if they did it for weight or if it's a cost savings to them, but these cars need a spare tire. I don't care who you are. You know what I mean? I was just lucky that Fix-A-Flat fixed it enough for me to get the car home. And if it holds up today, maybe me and the wife take our cars out and do a little fall photo shoot with them. It kind of sounds like a fun deal, huh? Yeah, buddy. So anyhow, I hit 4,000 miles. So I'm going to make that a separate video from this. You guys have a great rest of your day, and I appreciate each and every one of you. You all are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me, and I'll tell them you're awesome. Have a great rest of your day, night, evening, whatever time it was you watched this. Thanks for watching.